Hey everyone, welcome to my fourth giveaway. And who likes homespun yarn? I've had this stash for a very long time. I used to make a ton of blankets with it, but now I'm giving it to you guys. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brand new skeins of homespun Lion brand yarn. It's fabulous. So you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skeins of dark gray. You're gonna get 1 cream colored and 2 the pretty crimson red color. Okay, all you have to do, and I'm sorry I don't have a hook. We're on lockdown here. I live in California, so crochet hooks are hard to find. So that's why I'm giving away all these skeins to make up for the hook. Okay, so all you have to do is tell me what kind of giveaways do you like? Do you like it all yarn? Do you like it yarn and a project? Like I have a ton of scarves, I have more hats, I have, oh God, I have all kinds of different stuff, a ton of home goods. Do you like a mix of that? Or do you just like products? Like, say a kitchen, like a dishcloth with a placemat with a hot pad or something like that. So just let me know in the comments what kind of giveaways you all like. And also, I just want to do on a side note, this is my 4th giveaway now. There's one giveaway where I still have not heard from the winner. So I'm going to have to do one little rule here, and that you must respond once I contact you. And the only way for me to contact you guys is through YouTube. So when you comment, if you win or when you win, I reply back to the comments. I'm going to have to impose a rule, and I hate to do it, but please contact me within 72 hours. Okay, so that's 3 days from the time that I contact you. I do have one giveaway. I've tried to contact, I even went on Facebook and they are not responding. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to pick a new winner for that one. But please, 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 just look out for my reply, okay? Because that's the only way for me to contact you guys, okay? So with that said, good luck. This is what I'm giving away, my 4th giveaway. And to win, just leave a comment whether you like to have a giveaway with just yarn and projects, or just my finished projects, okay? So I hope everyone is doing well, and we will talk soon. Good luck.